نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. الله أكبر. سبحان ربي العظيم وبحمده. سمع الله لمن حمده. الله أكبر. سبحان ربي الأعلى وبحمده. الله أكبر. سبحان ربي الأعلى وبحمده. الله أكبر. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. الله أكبر. سبحان ربي العظيم وبحمده. سمع الله لمن حمده. الله أكبر. سبحان ربي الأعلى وبحمده. الله أكبر. سبحان ربي الأعلى وبحمده. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. الله أكبر. الحمد لله. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدًا عبده ورسوله. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. الله أكبر. سبحان ربي العظيم وبحمده. سمع الله لمن حمده. الله أكبر. سبحان ربي الأعلى وبحمده. الله أكبر. سبحان ربي الأعلى وبحمده. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. الله أكبر. بسم الله وبالله والحمد لله. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له. وأشهد أن محمدًا عبده ورسوله. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. السلام عليك أيها النبي ورحمة الله وبركاته. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. إن الله وملائكته يصلون على النبي يا أيها الذين آمنوا صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وعجل فرجهم والآن عدوهم. تسبيحة سيدتي ومولاتي فاطمة الزهراء عليه السلام. الله أكبر. 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 الحمد لله. 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 سبحان الله. 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 لا إله إلا 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 الله. أنت المرهب منك جميع خلقه يا نور الموت. يا الله. يا الله. يا الله. يا الله. يا الله. يا الله. أنت الذي لا إله. وتعظمت أن يكون لك ولا تكرمت أن يكون لك شبه. أنت الله المحمود بكل لسان. أنت المعبود في كل مكان. أنت المذكور في كل مكان المذكور. لا نور النور كل نور خامد النور كل ملك الملك في الخير. يا الله. يا الله. يا الله. الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله. رحمتك فاصفر يا غضبك وتكفى. ونحن يوم نظر الجوع نسأل قصتي وعظيمنا في حسنة شخص. يا صاحبك كنا نجوم وانتهى كل شيء. اللهم انصرك صلى الله عليه وسلم. Hi sisters. Yo, wagwan. What's going on? Welcome back. Yay. Like, yeah, totally, dog. What is going on? Hey, my little babies. Wagwan. Wagwan. I can't lie, it's not even a hype thing. Man's just baking off right now, waiting for my brethren. He's telling me he wants to take me a Ting's yard to do live streaming. Bro, this Ting, bro, like, if she's not Leng, there's no point going to her yard because the energy's gonna be dead. So man's just like, what the flip, bro? Let me see what's in the fridge because I am thirsty. Yeah. Yes, shout out to the Lengers in the chat. Wait, we got some lemon juice. What the hell? Bro, imagine there's a dead rat in the fridge, bro. That will be peak on God. There's a dead rat somewhere, but I don't know where. Anyhow, it's behind the fridge. That's peak. So Leng from Aldi. Hey bestie. Haha, big up Cat. Cat, stop being a hater. I'm joking. They're so nice. Yes, it's from Aldi. Relax. Lidl, bro. Lidl, not Aldi. Oh yeah, thank you, Damien. Hey, Damien. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you, Damien. You literally just made the devil vomit. Okay, so basically, that juice was so lame. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I'm getting paro, bro. Is there a dead mouse behind this dusty fridge, bro? Because if there is, fam. Bro, let's check. Now that's weights. I put the weights there to block the mouse from coming through the floor. There's no more mouse, bro, because he used to chill here, bro. Like, he don't chill here no more. He's gone. He's literally dead, bro. I prayed Maghrib, now to pray the Isha. Man said, chill. Now I gotta pray, dog. Look, yeah. We're just vibing right now. So, my brethren, apparently, apparently my friend's gonna, what do you call it? Take me out for dinner Hey, is there any girls that want to be taken out for dinner? Yeah. That's so booky, bro. Imagine chatting like that for real, bro. Like, fix up, G. No way, this guy's got 38k on his live, bro. Alex Visha. 38,000 people, bro. I've had that before. I've had that like 3-4 times, I can't lie. But these men are all about making guala, innit? They might just make bare money, fam. Manchester, in a hotel in Manchester in 2...
Nobody give a damn. Nobody give a damn. Did anybody ask? Did you ask? Nobody asked, Mo. Okay, free Palestine. Say it with me. Free Palestine.
Free Palestine till it's backwards,
and
dog.
Tell people to go donate as well.
Okay, we do that every day.
You didn't do that. No, you didn't do that, Mo. You didn't do that. You talking about Manchester. Nobody give a damn about no Manchester, okay? It's say free Palestine, and yeah, everybody go donate on Google. Okay?
Yeah.
What you want to say now? When you gonna come?
I'm coming on Saturday, so make sure you're there in my hotel room.
Saturday's gonna be a shutdown, Mo. Somebody else is gonna come, so my schedule is looking busy. I can't lie. Schedule is looking busy because I'm doing content. But if you're down, we can do content with you as well. If you down. If you down to do content, because on Saturday I'm gonna be streaming in public.
I want to stay in my hotel room. I have to stay in my hotel room.
Who the fuck do you think I am? Ain't nobody gonna stay in your bounce that ass hotel. No. You better get somebody else to go do that, okay? Now, if you want to come in public and you want to scream with me, you are very much welcome, okay? We need crazy people, Mo. I don't want you to be... Because you guys, he's going to a boxing event. Okay, so he got something else to do. But, yeah, like, Mo, if you want to scream with me? You want to scream?
Bro, listen. I scream and you scream. We all scream ice cream.
Right, listen, let's go. Let's talk since we're doing this. He's going... What?
Can I just say something? Look, if you don't stay over with me in the hotel, then I'm going to have to bring a lengas,
bring lengas, bro. I don't give a damn. Like, if you're going to do my video with me, do it. If you're not Beyonce, Mo. My time is busy now. I'm not like before. I'm not going to beg for you. Please link me. He think I'm that same girl from last year, okay? My price is up. My check has gone up now, okay? I'm not that bummy ass girl no more. Okay, so you gotta ask for my time, okay? Big boss?
Are you dead ass? Are you dead ass?
And you did this. Look at how you look, bro. Look at your room. That shit is dirty as hell.
I'm asking if you're dead ass. I'm asking if you're dead ass.
Are you dead ass with that dirty ass bags? What is that bag doing? You got like, are you packing? Where are you going?
I'm asking if you're dead ass. In American, it means that you're serious, you idiot.
Okay, did you wash your bunda? Okay, you know, listen, don't talk to me like that.
No, listen. Americans, when they say I'm serious, they say...
I'm American myself. You think I don't know?
So when I said dead ass, why do you think I'm referring to your ass is dead? I'm not saying your ass is dead.
Okay, let me see your room. Forget about that. Let me see that. Are you dead ass about that room? Are you dead ass about that room? Be fucking for real. Come on, Mo. It's been how many years, bro? Clean that room up. Go change, bro. It's almost 2024. You cannot be in that dusty, musty room.
So why do you from
Even I'm changing my room, bro. I'm literally changing my old closet, bro. If I can do it, Mo, you can do it. Okay, I don't know what you're doing.
You look like someone from the Addams family.
Mo, you said, listen, I don't... Bro, I can look like somebody from the Addams family, but just know Jerry is going to come back. It's winter season.
Listen,
Jerry, Mo, there's bed bugs in London. You know that, right?
Can I speak?
I know you got bit in your bum by bed bugs. But this guy
this looks like a scene from flipping Halloween, bro. It looks like...
We don't
listen,
have to wear a mask.
Let me talk.
Nobody want to hear you talk. Go ahead.
Let me say something. Basically, all of those, look at the spider webs behind you. It looks like you've just come out of a graveyard, a skeleton that's just come out of the grave. I swear to God. It's so haunted, your house.
What you're trying to say is I don't eat enough. Well, Mo, listen.
Your room looks like a Halloween party.
It don't matter. It's clean. It's clean. Let's see your room. Your room is literally built like the freaking celebration of Halloween, okay? Somebody
you
come to
celebrating
your room,
Halloween
they're gonna
early or
roll
something?
out. They don't even want no sweets. At least somebody come to my room, they're gonna want some sweets.
Someone said graveyard.
It's clean. I'm not gonna lie. This shit is clean, okay? Well, let's see. Look at you got dirty panties on that wall from literally 3 years ago. Look at that dirty panties, okay? So don't talk to me. It's gonna be blacked out, okay? Everything I got, everything that's coming in my room is gonna be blacked out, okay? Fake quiet. Tell him it's clean. Yeah, he knows it's clean. Okay, we clean shit around here. Now, what else you gotta say?
All right.
You trying to flex
Now
that?
what I want
You
is
trying
that
to
stop
flex
talking.
that line tattoo is not gonna work, Mo. That back it up, bro. He's trying to flex it. Like we don't get. It's a dead tattoo. It's not even nice. Like it's not. Okay.
I got it for free.
You look like you got it for free. Okay, we know you got it for free. What's going on in his wall? You guys, basically, he wrote a hotel, but it's not giving hotel. It's giving hostel. It's not even giving hostel. It's giving poverty, bro. Probably got mold hanging out the dishes. Oh, can we get a kitchen tour?
I swear to God, yeah. This is giving me the creeps. I'm gonna have to go, bro.
Huh?
You're actually giving me the creep. Oh, thank you, Seema.
Don't let him take my streak, y'all. He's trying to distract us. At least Jerry lives in this house rent free. Bro, he's gonna have to be worried about 6 Jerrys, okay? Because it's winter season, Mo, and you got a lot of heat in your room. A lot. I know you got bed bugs in there, you got cockroaches, you got a whole lot of shit going down there. What's in that bag?
Hey, what's in that bag is none of your business, dog.
It is my business. And Mo, bro, where is my bird? You guys don't understand. I've been asking for my bird. Thank you, Simon, with the Roman Empire. What is that?
Well, I got you a present, seeing as you like that film Jungle Book. I got you.
You trying to call me a monkey?
No, I said you like the film. No, it's a film, you idiot.
Free with the marvelous confetti ass with the hat and a mustache. Thank you so much.
I got you a real hyena you could wear when you go outside.
No, you need that hyena. Flying with the freaking elephant trunk. Thank you so much. And thank you so much, Tareem.
So nasty, dog. It actually smells.
Thank you, Slime. Bro, I know that bag smells. I know it smells, Mo. You ain't got to tell us, okay? Now, anyways, when you come on Saturday, what you about to do?
Listen, when I come to you on Saturday, I'm getting a hotel for £300 a night. You're going to come in the hotel and you're going to...
I told you somebody else is coming to meet me, okay? I'm filming. It's going to be content day for me. So unless you're going to do content, you're more than welcome. But if not, then I don't want to hear you. Because I'm ready to scream in public, okay? I'm ready to embarrass myself. Part 12, Screaming, is coming out, you guys. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Slide with the freaking elephant trunk.
What if a lady goes up to you and gives you one in your forehead for being so loud in public?
You can give one in my forehead. Listen, my body's made of metal. Okay, Slime, you can stop with the elephant trunk now. Damn! How many you gonna send? Dang. Thank you, though. You know, he mocked... I didn't know that. Slime, he going at it. He trying to send elephant trunks, bro. Listen, I'm cute as hell, okay? You can send me roses now. Yeah, I don't... Okay, Slime, you taking the piss now, bro. Slime, stop. Can you stop? Because somebody told me got to stop now. I understand it's thank you for the gift, but I don't need that on my face, okay? Send it to him. Send him elephant trunks. He needs that. Thank you, guys. Mo.
Yeah, baby.
Where is my bird? I need my bird.
Your bird?
I need my bird for my scooter. Oh, okay. Slime. Okay, go ahead and log out for me right now. Go ahead and log out. Okay, you're doing too much. You're doing too much. And he got that last ass. What the hell is that? Lion skin? What that supposed to be?
That's a hyena skin, dog.
Bro, I know you ran out of tissue and you used that to wipe your bun down. I know. This got doo-doo stains on there, bro. Thank you, so King Grizz with the roses. Thank you, Agati. All right, Mo. Hello?
Yeah.
Let's run it back. Come on. Run that back, Turbo. He killed the hyena. So King Grace with the freaking firework. Thank you so much. Hey, So King Grace, you did so much for me.
Live, yeah. You just sit on live asking for gifts. Are you like...
I'm not asking.
What?
What the hell?
Don't you
Okay,
have a
stop,
life?
bro. Thank you so much. Stop. Thank you, Beth.
Get a life, dog. Get a
You get a
life.
life, okay? You get a life. Don't tell me to get a life. Okay, okay. Every time you send that now, I'm gonna have my face.
Let's
Thank you,
mute this
Slime.
girl for a second because all she does is say a lot of nothing. She talks, but no one benefits. She talks for hours. Did you ever benefit from her? Has she said something that can benefit us in this life or the next life? Has she been proactive? No. She's trying to get that money, yeah? And I don't blame her because everybody got to hustle. Everybody got to eat. Maybe she wants to build a university in Somalia. Maybe she wants to build a well. Yeah? I don't know. But I need to make sure that you lot are learning something. Because if you lot ain't learning, then in the next life you'll be burning. Because this is the life where you need to help yourself get knowledge. Now, who's got most of the knowledge right now? It's Modeen. That's why I got my back on my back. And I got the best bracelets. I'm not wearing all of them. I'll wear them. There'll be like 50 of them, but not 50. So I gotta wear only a few. Do you know what I'm saying? Now, I don't know what she's doing, but she's got a lot of energy. That's why Mo Farah, he could run. He's the most marathon. He can run the most. She's got the same stamina as Mo Farah. If you put her on the 100,000 meters, she will be number one. But because she's not running, she's talking. She put the energy in talking. She can talk for... Look how long she's going to talk for. 3 days talking. Me, I get tired. It's like, I'll talk for 3 hours, I'm finished. She can talk for 3 days. Just give her a bottle of water and she's... What is she doing for real? La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Bro, I swear this is real life comedy, bro. I'm telling you, bro, 3 days. Just chatting, no stopping. Me, I need some, just from looking at how I'm getting thirsty. Now I need some water because, look, mashallah, la hawla wa la quwwata. Look at her energy. I'm telling you, a girl with this much energy is dangerous. Look. I swear if that was me right there, I'll get her, put her in a headlock, boom, on the bed, till she goes to sleep. Because I'll be like, listen, yesterday I put the Quran on, my neighbor phoned me. He's like, bro, can you put the Quran down? I'm trying to sleep. Even though it's Quran, he wanted me to put it down. I don't know her neighbors, how they sleep. Who remembers that cartoon, Inspector Gadget? Inspector Gadget. Who remembers? Wait. Let me show you that. Wait. Let me. Wait. Hold on. Oh yeah. Type in Inspector Gadget cartoon. Go Gadget, go. 1 second. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala Muhammad. Bro, I can't lie, it's a mad thing right now. Let me just show you the Inspector Gadget. Inspector Gadget. Basically it's this bro here. Wait. Go, Gadget, go. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Let's unmute her.
Slime.
Yo!
Okay. Slime. You gotta chill now. You gotta chill
Listen.
again, okay? You gotta chill.
Listen, we don't want to take your
I'm
million
gonna
win.
show you what you look like. Thank you so much, you so King Grace. Thank you so much to Slime. Thank you so much to
Bro,
Reed.
what's the point in unmuting her? All she's gonna do is thank you so much, thank you so much. She's not gonna say nothing constructive. 1 second. Sorry, guys. Okay, she's gotta go right now. That's it. She's got to go, bro. What the flip? I know she's not talking about me, bro. I know she's not talking about me. Nah. Allow that talk, bro. Allow talk.
Hello, Mom. Oh, darling.
Hey, listen, you left your bag with the book and the bellies and the stuff.
Oh,
You left
shit.
you left the can of Coca-Cola. You left your lighter. They're all here.
Oh, okay. All right. Wicked. Yeah, I need the bellies.
Yeah, they're here. Listen, what happened? What are you doing? Have you had dinner? Have you had lunch?
I went on the sunbed, didn't it? I'm just a bit red, a little bit.
Why are you trying to go in the sunbed for?
No, because I'm brown now. Look. Look how brown. I'm getting brown, darling.
Well, there's some people that like white.
I like brown. I look good with the golden tan, don't you think? Do you think I look nice when you see me?
There's some people, they prefer white skin.
Yeah, but listen, I don't care about the stupid cameras on this. In real life, when you see me, did I look healthy?
What about the people that want white?
You are white.
Listen, why are you not white?
I am white, but like got a bit of a glow.
Well,
and not a lobster glow, more like a crab glow.
This kind of white. We want white like this.
No, that's like my dress, man. What the hell?
Yes, this is the white we want.
No. Where's your wife, man?
Stop your colors, Chelsea. You're not a coloring book, and you are not a flipping paintboard. You are a human. Stop sitting in the sunbeds. Stop sitting under the sun. Because believe you me, if I find out
that my knees brown.
Are you a bacon sausage?
I'm like a grilled sausage. Hello. I'm a vegan sausage.
You're damaging your skin. That's not healthy. Stop it. Go back to being your original color, which is white.
Yeah, okay.
Everyone wishes Michael Jackson paid millions of pounds to become white. I have tried to become white. I put rose water on my face, lemon juice on my face. I was putting lemon juice to become white. I was scrubbing my face. I was doing the opposite of what you're doing.
No, lemon does, you know. Girls told me that because that's why I do it with lemon, with salt.
What are you doing? Why are you doing a Uno? I'm trying to become white. You're trying to become brown. What is it? What do you want?
Yeah, because we're never happy in it. It's like, you know, it's just how it is.
Stop it. Just stay white.
People that have got straight hair, they want curly hair. People that got curly hair, they want straight hair. Look at everyone is crazy.
It's not good for your skin.
Georgie,
stop
I know,
it.
but I look good though, still. Like I'm saying to you, Mo.
If you want to look dark, thank you, Lisa. If you want to look dark, go to Superdrug. They've got a spray. You can spray yourself whatever color you want. Now stop going in these sunbed. Thank you, Lisa. Darling.
I've been on once. I don't go on.
You're not going again.
I just went on for 10 minutes to top up the tan from fucking my holiday.
Stop sitting in the sun for hours. It's not good.
I look sexy. I don't care. Jay Moss was even checking me out. Know what time it is.
You see, when I'm looking at you right now, I'm thinking, let me speak. I swear to God, yeah, God's my witness. I looked at you just now and I thought of the McCain oven chips, how crispy they are. And now I've become hungry because of you, because of your skin. You've made me think of the grilled crispy chips. Now I want to get food. I swear to God, because of McCain oven chips, I remember that advert. That's why now I'm hungry, because of you. All right? Stop going in the oven and stop it. Just stay how you are. I'm trying to become this kind of white. Look, you see this? I'm trying to become like this, like my teeth. Like this. If I can become like this, then all right, Chelsea. Anyway, Chelsea, listen, I'm gonna go pray. So I'll talk to you later. Unless you
Are
want
you gonna leave me?
Unless you want to see me pray.
Yeah, I like to watch you pray if we can a little bit. Just
I'm gonna pray. Do you want? I'm gonna pray so Chelsea can learn, because if she doesn't start praying, heaven is gonna be hard for her to get into heaven. If she prays, Allah might have mercy and let her in. But if she doesn't pray, she might never enter heaven. So this is only for her benefit. All right. الله أكبر الله أكبر أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح حي على خير نعم حي على خير نعم قد قام الصلاة قد قام الصلاة الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها وقال الإنسان ما لها يومئذ تحدث أخبارها بأن ربك أوحى لها يومئذ يصدر الناس أشتاتا ليروا أعمالهم فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره الله أكبر سبحان ربي العظيم وبحمده سمع الله لمن حمده الله أكبر سبحان ربي الأعلى وبحمده الله سبحان ربي الأعلى وبحمده الله أكبر بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفءا أحد. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. الله أكبر. سبحان ربي العظيم وبحمده. سمع الله لمن حمده. الله أكبر. سبحان ربي الأعلى وبحمده. الله أكبر. سبحان ربي الأعلى وبحمده. الله أكبر. بسم الله وبالله والحمد لله. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. الله أكبر. سبحان ربي العظيم وبحمده. سمع الله لمن حمده. الله أكبر. سبحان ربي الأعلى وبحمده. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. سبحان ربي الأعلى وبحمده. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. سبحان ربي العظيم وبحمده. سمع الله لمن حمده. الله أكبر. سبحان ربي الأعلى وبحمده. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. سبحان ربي الأعلى وبحمده. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. الله أكبر. بسم الله وبالله والحمد لله. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. السلام عليك أيها النبي ورحمة الله وبركاته. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. شكرا. إن الله وملائكته يصلون على النبي يا أيها الذين آمنوا صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وعجل فرجهم والعن عدوهم. Guys, did I do 3 or 4? I need to know, did I do 3 ruk'ah or 4? Even I forgot that. I don't know, I think I've done 3, 4, I don't know. 4, 5. Nah, you lot are mocking it, bro. I don't know, I'm gonna have to repeat it. I'll repeat it later, man, don't worry. تسبيحة فاطمة الزهراء عليه السلام. الله أكبر 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 الله. الحمد لله 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 الحمد لله. سبحان الله 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 سبحان الله. لا اله الا الله لا اله الا الله لا اله الا الله. يا الله يا الله يا الله انت مرغوب منك جميع خلقك يا نور النور انت الذي احتجبت دون خلقك ولا يدرك نور النور. يا الله يا الله يا الله انت رفيع ارتفع فوق عرش فوق اسمائك ولا يصل عظمتك احد من خلقك. يا نور النور قد استنى بنورك على سماك الصلاه وضوءك على ارضك. يو I'm at home. عليكم السلام.
Listen. I'll be honest, I didn't see how many rakas you did. If you're going to repeat it, you might as well repeat it now because I'm going to be up. Not too long.
Alright, say now, calm down, yeah? Say it.
Maybe.
Yeah, I can hear you. Just calm down, calm down.
10 minutes, bro.
Say. Ya Allah, let me always have the longest chicks for the rest of my life, forever and ever and ever. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. Yo, my people, them. I don't know if I done 3 or 4. I was meant to do 4. How many of you guys are actually in love right now? Are you guys in love? If you're in love, I'm a love counselor and I can save you, but you have to pay me like £5,000. I'm joking. What the hell? Okay, so guys, yeah, we are about to hit World War III, dog. That's it. Get ready, set Teddy, and be ready, bro. Where's the girl? You done 4. How do you know I done 4, bro? Was you like watching? Chat to me, doggy. Talk to me. Bro, it's like I've got so much more bracelets. These are like actual 30 bracelets I got, but I don't like the colors, so I left them in my bag. But if these break, I'm gonna have to wear the other ones, and then I'm gonna stop buying bracelets because they're like elasticy. If they keep breaking, then what's the point in buying bare? Like, what's the flipping point, boy? Aya, stop messaging me on the WhatsApp here. You're messaging me on my other WhatsApp, bro, because I'm not seeing your messages, bro. Anyway, guys, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa Muhammad. I just wanted to say, yeah, like, I don't know what to say. I'm just grateful for Allah, for everything. And we just gotta thank God for the blessings. Oh my God. Assalamu alaikum. أنا هسه على البث مباشر بعدين أخبرك. Alright, so yeah. Bro, J-Moss just answered everyone, bro. I don't know why people keep asking. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala Muhammad. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala Muhammad. Bro, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm looking, only Chelsea's got, bro, Alex has got 65k on his live, bro. This guy's done a mazza. Nah, man says 65k, bro. This guy's not playing. So guys, yeah, it's raining outside, and basically I'm gonna go for dinner. My friend's coming to pick mine up. I'm not gonna keep, I might come live on later, because basically my friend's taking me to some chick's yard, yeah, and he wants me to go live in her yard. I don't know, innit, but that's what's gonna probably happen. So I'm gonna go and come back. Yeah. So use too, bro. What are you talking about? I never used no one, bro. Chill. What's wrong with this guy, bro? Bye, waste man. MashaAllah, okay. Bro, look at the rain outside. Oh my God. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala. Bro, literally, I'm looking at everyone on TikTok. The only person that's got views is Alex with 65k, Chelsea with 3k. The rest are dead. The whole of TikTok is dead. Oh, Ya Allah. What can I say, Ya Allah? There's people, they just got negative energy. Let me explain. They're born with negative energy. All they do is just negativity. They're not proactive. They're just weird. These kind of people, their energy is weird, bro. But what can you do? You gotta stay away from them. Do you understand? You gotta keep your energy safe. You understand? Make sure, look at me, bro. I should have thousands of friends, but I don't, because I need to protect my energy. If I start chilling with bare people, my energy's gonna get messed up. Even if you're by yourself, bro, it's good. It's good to be alone. But it's not good to live alone, because you could go crazy. That's what the hadith says. Do you need a mat rug to pray? Look, bro, I've got 2 rugs, bro. Guys, I'm gonna go because my mate's pulling up here. And I'm gonna keep it stepping, innit? اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. Alright guys, on the count of 10 I'm leaving because my mate's pulling up. I'm gonna go. Basically my mate's taking me to his wife's house, or not his wife, his girl's house, yeah, and he wants me to go chill there, but obviously I'm not gonna do nothing. I'm just gonna be chilling there because I don't know, he wants to take me for dinner or something, this guy, innit. Bare people want me to take them for dinner, but this guy's trying to take me for dinner. Bro, I got models telling me, come take me to dinner, bro. I'm telling them, nah, bro, I ain't got time, innit. But this guy is telling me he's gonna pull out, he's gonna roll through. Bro, I swear to God, bro, I don't even want to go out, bro. It's flipping raining and that. He's trying to take me to his chick's yard. He wants me to, come go live there. I don't know, bro. I'm not bothered. I just want to go sleep and relax, bro. I had a nice shower. I want to go sleep and relax, bro, and stay in my yard. I'm really not bothered to go to his chick's yard, bro. He's watching the live. He's really like, what? I don't know, bro. I just want to sleep, relax. I got a nice, comfortable bed. Do you understand? And chill in my yard. I got my TV and that. You know what I'm saying? I'm baking off, bro. I don't need to go to no chick's yards, you feel me? Bro, I swear to God, these things always telling me, come take me out, take me out. Why am I taking you out, bro? Like, bro, relax, man. Anyway, I'm gonna keep it stepping. Oh, that's the guy, bro. Yo, G. You outside, yeah?
Yeah, I'm outside. But listen, she isn't my girl.
Alright, we'll talk to you in a bit. I'll talk to you in a bit. Safe. This spray is outside. Anyway, guys, yeah, I love to watch you and that. I mean, love to chill with you, but I gotta go, innit? Man's like, love, innit? Shout out to everyone. Just stay blessed, innit? Stay relaxed. Stay on a mad thing, innit? Stop moving mad. Oh my God. I gotta make bare phone calls, innit? So, in count of 10, I'm cutting, yeah? I'll be real. 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Bye guys, take care. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. Bye. Man said stay. Bro, I would have stayed, bro, but I don't even want to go out. It's raining, bro. I want to chill in my yard, bro. But I don't know. This brother was taking me. He's a guy, bro. He's trying to take me for dinner. Bro, I swear to God, I'll show you my inbox on Insta, bro. These things are all telling me, take me to dinner, take me here, take me here. Bro, I'm declining models, fam. But this bro, I'm gonna go to some yard, innit? If I go live, I'll go live in the yard, innit? Anyway, take care, guys. Bye. Stay live in the car. That's long. I'll go live if I go to this yard, I don't want to go to this yard because I want to stay at home, innit? But if I do go to this yard, I'm going to end up going live, innit? So we'll see what happens. This bro wants me to take his girl or something, bro. I don't know, man. It's a bit dangerous, but when I'm around things, I take everyone's thing. Anyway, love. Bye. I gotta go. Bye.